Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Mattermost on a VPS for team chat setup, full guide step by step clearly. To install Mattermost on a VPS for your team chat setup, begin by accessing your VPS via SSH. Use an SSH client, such as PuTTY or your terminal, to connect to your server. Log in with your username and password. Update your package list to ensure you have the latest information on available packages. Run the command sudo apt update. Next, install the necessary dependencies required for Mattermost. Use the command sudo apt install wget curl zip. Create a dedicated user for Mattermost to enhance security. Execute the command sudo user add system user group Mattermost. Create the Mattermost directory where the application will reside. Run sudo dir/opt/mattermost. Change the ownership of the directory to the Mattermost user. Use the command sudo chown mattermost/opt/mattermost. Next, download the latest Mattermost version from the official website. Go to the Mattermost download page and copy the link for the latest version. Use wget to download the package using the command get latest Mattermost link. Once downloaded, extract the Mattermost files. Run the command sudo unzip mattermost star.zipd/opt/mattermost. Change the directory permissions for Mattermost. Use the command sudo chowner mattermost/opt/mattermost/star. Now, install PostgreSQL as Mattermost requires a database. Run sudo apt install PostgreSQL contribution. Switch to the PostgreSQL user shell. Execute sudo u postgres psql. Create a new database for Mattermost. Run create database Mattermost. Next, create a user for the Mattermost database. Use create user with password grant privileges to the Mattermost user on the database. Execute grant all privileges on database Mattermost tom user. Exit the PostgreSQL shell by typing \q. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.